Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you're watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today, it is a Prime Wardrobe Day. So, if you're not familiar with Amazon's Prime Wardrobe, this is from the personal shopper. There is a Prime Wardrobe where you can choose items that you want them to send to you and you have like a 7-day period to try them on. They won't charge you for that. This is the personal shopper where you fill out a style profile and they pick items that are curated for you. You also can send them a style note letting them know what you're interested in at that time. So today, everything was sent to me in one package, which is unusual. You will get these in different packages sometimes, and each package will have a different return label. So you will get one of these with every package that you receive, and it will have directions for you on how it works. You have 7 days to try these items on. Keep what you want. They will charge you for what you keep. Your $4.99 fee that you pay to get styled does not go towards anything. It's just a fee to get styled. So you do pay the price that's listed. On these items, you will have your items listed on your invoice, and then on the back you will have your return label. So everything comes individually packaged once you receive your package. So let's get right into it and see what we have. This is a very pretty item, very pretty color. Okay, so looks like we have a very cute little, looks like kind of a baby doll top. Very pretty reddish color. It is a very soft material, like a, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like it is lined as well. So very cute, ruffles, tiered, and it does have these little raised dots on there. I'm not sure if you can see that really well. I'll try to get up a little closer when I try that on. Very pretty. I did indicate to my stylist that I was looking for items for the beach or to wear to the cabin, very more casual to wear with shorts, jeans, you know, lightweight. Ooh, this is pretty. So very casual. I guess, is this considered a tie-dye? I don't know. But pink and navy. Just a t-shirt. It does have a band down there at the bottom. Very soft. I like that. That would look cute with jean shorts. We don't have very many items in this one. I remember when they sent me, they do send you a style preview so you can decide from the items that they send you which ones you actually want them to send in your package. There were only 5 or 6 items that I was really interested in, and you choose those items. They don't send you anything in replacement of those items. They just send you the items that you choose. So there were only a few that I was kind of like, oh yeah, I'll like that. Or they had some items that were really expensive, like $99 for a pair of sandals that I would never wear. So I'm not about that. So we don't have quite as many items in this one. This is pretty. Okay. Ooh. All right, so we have a really cute jumper. Look how beachy this looks. You guys know how I feel about the larger print, but I think I kind of like this. It's very fancy. Has a zipper in the back, has ruffles on the sleeve, V-neck. I hope this fits. It looks like it might be a cropped leg, but it is going to be a wide leg. I'm excited for that one. I also hope it's not too expensive. All right, I had one that dropped on the floor, so I'll be right back. All right, so we have a really pretty yellow. Okay. All right, so this looks like it might be a little bit cropped, so it might, if I have the high-waisted shorts or jeans, it would sit right at that cropped waist or at that high waist. Very cute, yellow, lacy, spaghetti strap here, lace across the top, buttons down the front, and they are functioning buttons. So that's it in this haul, if you will, or from my personal shopper. I did have one more item that was supposed to be sent that hasn't been sent yet. My experience with that has been that I probably won't get it and they will end up canceling that item. But one thing that has benefited is it's given me more time to try things on because it will notify you on your Amazon orders when your trial period starts. So I've had these items for about a week and my trial period has not started yet. So let's get to trying these on and see if I find something that I want to keep for the beach and to wear to the cabin. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so here we have our first item. This is the gold collared, kind of cropped tank top. Very cute. The lace spaghetti straps, I don't know, it's a little itchy up here to me. Maybe that's something to get used to. The underarms feel good as well, and they do cover the bra under here. You could get away with wearing a regular bra, but it does show a little bit of your bra strap right here. I do have a strapless bra that has clear straps here, which would work perfect for this kind of top. You can see the lace here around the top, the lace here down the center, and then it does have this ribbing look to it, which I like. I did have enough here to front tuck, and I think that looks cute. I'll do a turnaround really quick and untuck this so that you can see what it looks like. I feel like it fits me well. There's something about the lace that feels tight, and I don't know what that is, and maybe it's just the feeling of the lace, the texture of the lace. So I'll do an untuck here and we'll just do a little turnaround. So what do you guys think? I love this color. It's very summery. You could even wear this in the fall with a cute cardigan, this color. So I don't know, I kind of like it. It's very cute. All right, let me know what you guys think. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the next shirt. This is a super, super duper soft shirt. I love how it feels. It's very comfortable. It fits me beautifully. Everything that I wish to camouflage is camouflaged. I like the color combination. It does have a band around the hemline on both the front and the back. You also have the little side slit here. You could do a front tuck if that's your thing, just like that, or you could tuck it in all the way if you prefer it that way. I don't know, this is super casual. I like it. Very comfortable. I mean, super comfortable. It's so soft. You also have this little stitching right here that comes down here into a V and kind of crosses there. I like it. Let me know what you guys think of this color combination. It is a little bit, I don't know how to describe it. It's not it's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy, but it feels like a stronger fabric, I guess. I don't know how else to describe it. Like it's good quality, I think is maybe the word I'm looking for. So I'll be interested to see how much this is. I'll let you guys see the back. All right, we have one more shirt and then we have the jumper. Okay, so as much as I wanted to love this one, I just don't think that I do. Maybe for someone that's younger, maybe for someone who's a little more petite, maybe, I don't know. I like the collar, I like the tiers, I like the ruffles. Maybe if it were in a little mini dress, I think I would like it better, but I don't feel like the shirt really does me any favors. Now, with jeans might not be the best option. Maybe it would look really cute with shorts, jean shorts, and then some cute wedge sandals. I could see that look working. But again, maybe for someone a little bit younger, I don't feel like it's for me. But again, beautiful collar. Let me get a little closer so that you can see the dots here and how it's made up here. Let's see if it'll focus for you. So I don't know if you can get a good look at that or not, but It's very cute. It has a lot of different details to it that I like. It does have a keyhole in the back. I'll turn around really quickly. I don't know. I like the collar on me. I think it's pretty with my complexion, but I think that's about it for this one. That's a bummer. All right, I have the jumpsuit, so we'll move. So here we have the jumpsuit, and I really, really wanted to love this. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit me. I am going to look, I think, to see if they have this in a little bit of a larger size. You know how sizes can be with Amazon and the different brands and things that they carry. I think the pattern is really cute. I think all of the little elements and texture differences are really cute. I think it might work if it were the right size. I do like the V-neck. I like the ruffles here on the sleeve. It has this cute little tie, but unfortunately it is riding up a little bit there in the crotch area, which is not a good feeling at all. I'm unable to zip the back. Now I don't have anyone here to help me, so it could be that someone might be able to zip it for me, but I still think it's still going to be a little snug. But I am going to have links to all of these items down in the description box if you're interested in trying any of these items. And let me show you the length really quick. So here you can see the length. It is a cropped wider leg pant. Would look super cute with some wedge heels in a nude collar. I just think this will be perfect for the beach or for some tropical vacation that you might be taking. But again, I'll have some links down in the bottom if this is something you're interested in. I'm going to look to see if I can size this one up. Of course, that's going to depend on the price as well. So I think we are ready for the wrap up. All right, so let's get this wrapped up. That was a very short Amazon Prime wardrobe this time. So hopefully next month they will have a few more items in my choices for me to pick that are more reasonable. Like I said, I had some items in there that were like $99 for a pair of sandals that were kind of ugly and that I would never wear. But I like to try to find things that are a little more reasonably priced because I do have a tendency to spend a little bit more on my Trendsend items or my Nordstrom's items. So I feel like Amazon has such a vast variety of styles and brands that I should be able to find more affordable items there. So let's start with the romper. All right, so this is Gabby Skye women's ruffled sleeve romper in 16, and it is $42.33. Not a bad price. Again, I may look for this in a larger size, and I didn't mention that this is fully lined. It does have a white lining all the way down. So very cute, very comfortable, very stylish. I shouldn't say comfortable because it didn't fit me, but you get what I'm saying. It was very cute. I'd like to try it in another size. All right, so then we have this cute little ditty, and it is Angashion women's top. It is $26.98 in red. Again, very pretty color, just wasn't for me. And then we have the pink and navy top here, and this is only $23.99. Not too bad. That's the kind of pricing I'm talking about. And then we have the goldenrod top, and this is Jessica Simpson, and it is $32.29. So this is still a maybe. I haven't quite decided on that one yet. I'm going to look back at the footage and see what I think to see if and I might try it on with shorts. I mean, because in reality, I'm going to wear these with shorts more than I'm going to wear them with jeans. So I may try them on with shorts and some sandals and see what I think. And decide from there. But I'd always love hearing from you guys, so let me know what you guys think. Again, very short and sweet video here today, only 4 items to try on for you. So I hope that you will please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys the next time. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.